Good morning, guys. My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. So I bet you guys are wondering what in the world I'm doing. And it is a beautiful Saturday morning, and I am on my way to Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't think there's anything better than getting up early in the morning, especially on a Saturday, watching the sun come up. There's just nothing better. But today I am on my way to Charlotte. I've got to take an exam. So let me give you guys a little bit of backstory as we're moving down the road here. 30 days ago, I bought a drone. And if you know anything about drones, in the United States, if you are going to use a drone for commercial use, you have to have a license. So if you're just using a drone for personal use, just recreational, family photos, that kind of thing, the FAA does not require you to have a license. But because I have a YouTube channel, and I plan on using the drone to get you guys footage, and also I've got friends that are realtors. I've got a friend who's a roofer, and so I want to start helping them do some aerial photography and that sort of thing, because I'm just kind of into that kind of stuff. But if you have a drone for commercial use, the FAA requires you to have a license, and in order to get the license, you have to pass a test, and this test is called the Part 107. It's actually a pretty hard test. I've been studying for over 30 days now. It is a 60-question test, multiple choice. They give you about 2 hours to take the test. You've got to do it in person, can't do it online. It's pretty expensive. I think it's like $150, $175 just to take the test. And if you fail it, you got to take it again. I'm a 40-year-old man. I went to culinary school, if you don't know. And so, I don't know if a lot of people consider that a real school. I'm not a book smart person. I'm more of a street smart person. I like working with my hands. I'm more of a common sense type guy. So I never really did that well in high school. I did really well in college because, it suited me really well. But anyway, so I say all that to say it has been a really long time since I have studied for an exam. And it's pretty intense. They ask you a lot of really serious questions about national airspace and sectional charts. It's really in depth. A lot of stuff that you wouldn't think you'd ever need to fly a drone, but it is what it is, and the FAA requires it, so this is what we've got to do. I'll tell you guys too, a dream of mine as a child, when I was a boy, I wanted to become an airline pilot. I very quickly realized I wasn't smart enough to do that, because you got to have a lot of math, and math's not my strong suit. But this has just been an awesome experience for me. For those of you that are pilots, if you are a pilot, I'm in no way saying that I'm a pilot. Like, that's not what I'm saying at all. But what I am saying is that through this experience, it gave me the opportunity to kind of view a window into the world of aviation, which is something that I've always wanted to do. As weird as it is, I've got 3 friends that are pilots. None of them actually know each other. One's a pilot for American, another one's a private pilot for a company of executives, and then the other pilot is more of a regional pilot. But all 3 great guys, super intelligent. I'm super jealous. I'd love to be able to fly a plane one day, and maybe, who knows, Lord willing, maybe this is kind of where the Lord is leading me. But as of today, we're taking the Part 107, just a baby step. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me. If you want me to do a review on the drone, I know this is more of a lawn care channel, but if you guys want me to do a review on a drone, you've been interested in drones, I'd be happy to do that for you guys. Just leave me a comment down below. I don't want to make a video if you guys aren't going to be interested in doing it. So we're going to keep motoring down the road here. We've got about 30 more minutes to go, and I'll check in with you guys when we arrive at the testing facility, and then we'll go from there. So Again, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. I'll see you guys in just a little bit.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles.
All right, guys, we have arrived at the testing facility. I'm probably 25 minutes early, 20 minutes early, which is great because I really wasn't sure where I'm going. And then once we get inside, I'm not sure where I'm going either. I'm going to spend the last, 10 or 15 minutes here just kind of going over my notes before I go inside, just to refresh, make sure I'm good. I'm feeling really good about it, but you never know. I have no idea what kind of questions they're going to ask on the test, but feeling really good about it. Say a prayer for me, wish me luck. I'll see you guys in about 2 hours.
My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter.
All right, test is over. Drum roll. So you got to get at least a 70 to pass the test, and I passed. Let's go! I passed. So I made a 83, which I'm not super happy about, but at the end of the day, I got at least a 70, and that's really all you need. Guys, I'm super pumped. I'm so excited. That was an extremely hard test. If you guys know anything about this test or have taken it yourself, you know they do a lot to try to trick you. Usually, there's 2 answers on there that 1 or 2 could be right, but we passed, so I'm excited. I'm gonna hit the road, and we're gonna go home. I'm gonna show you guys some drone footage so that we can celebrate. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it home. What an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions about the Part 107, or as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you want me to make a video about the drone, be happy to do that. Just leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, awesome day. Thank you so much for joining the video. I'm gonna finish this video out just by throwing the drone up, get you guys some shots of the lawn. So excited. Thank you for joining. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach and now a certified UA pilot. See you guys in the next one. Peace.